What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel if you're new here. I make videos about college and fashion. Today I'm going to show you guys one of my most requested videos. A lot of people in real life asked me to do this video and then tons of you guys asked me to do this. So I wanted to update this because now I do a more tousled natural wave than I used to. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed. Go hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Welcome to the easiest and cheapest hair tutorial you will ever see. This is my hair, all natural. All you're going to need is the cheapest curling iron. Conair curling iron, probably $15. It's not even a wand, it's the one with the clamp. I've used this for probably 3 years now and I won't stop using it. Wet brush and Batiste dry shampoo. So they're all drugstore products. I'll have them all linked down below. This is pretty essential, I feel like, for this tutorial. Like honestly, both of these are amazing and help with getting your hair to the right texture. I mean, if you're using a different hairbrush, I don't know what you're doing. So my hair is a natural texture right now. I don't really use any product in it except I put on conditioner and shampoo. And then to detangle it after I've been out of the shower, I use this When Pomegranate Mist. I always wash my hair every other day at night and yep, that's what I do. I don't brush my hair all the way through, which you might think is crusty. I don't like it to be too soft when I curl it because I want it to have kind of like a grip. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my mirror so I don't screw up my hair. But I don't even section off my hair. If you have thicker hair than me, maybe do that. I want to start off with the hairs framing your face. So this is the most important part because honestly the rest can kind of look like turd and it'll still look cute. So I'll start off with this side. I feel like if I start on this side, I have a little bit more luck. All I do is I open up the clamp. I use the clamp with this. I use it like it would be a wand, but I like having the clamp because it heats it around the hair all over. So it's not just getting it around the wand, but it's getting enclosed into the clamp. So it heats it up really fast. I start about here, about a little bit lower than where my eye is, maybe like the start of your cheekbone, because if you have it up too high, it just doesn't look like a nice, soft, natural curl. Start at the cheekbone, and I literally just clamp it in. I kind of move it a little bit, and then I hold it, and then I let go. Nowadays, I'm liking just where it's basically just a wave. It's not even really a curl. And sometimes when you use the clamp, it'll leave a little bit of a crimp right here. So I will just kind of go over that so it's straightened out. You want to take around your face like a big chunk because you want the wave to be really loose. And once again, kind of start at the cheekbone. And I do it just like that. And I don't like just let it go flat. It kind of needs a little bit of guidance after it's hot. Kind of let it fall into your hand, but don't let it cup into your hand as a full curl because then it would be too much of a spiral. Pieces kind of at the top are important. You want to make sure that they lay really nicely because as you move, you want to make sure that it has that good wave and body to it. Same thing with these curls that aren't towards my face. I will go up a little higher. My hair gets like kinked up because I dry it overnight. It's just air dry, so it kind of gets a little bit like kinky. So I just like straighten it out a little bit. And if you can see, I leave like a good amount out in the back at the ends because you want kind of like a gradual fade. So it just looks really thin and wispy at the bottom and it doesn't look like too much of a full curl. It keeps it looking like a wave. This side of my hair is all done. I usually start off with this back lower part with a good chunk of hair left at the bottom. Kind of squeeze it, but then squeeze it so that it forms into a wave, not a straight pin, but then kind of shake it loose. Was my part pissing anyone else off? Yeah, okay. So I know I probably should do this before, but I kind of always just fix it after. So here we are at the end, and as you can see, it has a lot more body than it initially did when you just first saw it. So now we want to add a little bit more texture. Because my roots are so dark right now, I kind of just like it to look a little bit more ashy, and that's why I don't use the brunette dry shampoo. So I start off right here on this face framing parts. I do this even right after, like, on freshly washed hair, like even more important I think on freshly washed hair because it has no texture. It's just so slippery. And this is really bad for your hair, I think, but I'll do just a couple spritz at the end. I know that there's texturizing sprays out there and everything, but dry shampoo, this is the cheapest and best that I've found. It doesn't leave my hair feeling like crunchy. There are curls that are too curly, like this one looks too much like a curl. Just do it a little bit and I go back on the curl, like the little, see the indent right there? Kind of go up. And it just helps make it a little less of a curl and more of a wave. So that is it, you guys. This is how I do my just simple textured wave tutorial. And when I'm doing this every day, it takes me maybe 10 minutes. Make sure that you thumbs up this video if you liked it and let me know in the comments if you want to see more hair routines, tutorial kind of videos. This is what I do to curl my hair, one of my most requested videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and hit that subscribe button. I make videos every Monday and Thursday now, so be sure to subscribe and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.